In this guide, we'll cover the file formats you can upload to Geocodio. Whether you're using Excel, CSV, or TSV, Geocodio makes it easy to geocode your spreadsheet data. You can upload spreadsheets of addresses to Geocodio in 3 formats: Excel spreadsheets, that's .xls or .xlsx files, comma-separated spreadsheets, .csv, and tab-separated spreadsheets, .tsv. Geocodio also supports compressed zip files. Simply compress your spreadsheet to a .zip file before uploading. This can greatly reduce the time it takes to upload large files. You can also process spreadsheets directly through the API using lists endpoints. These let you create, check the status of, and delete spreadsheets programmatically. The Lists API requires some additional configuration. Check out the documentation for both self-serve and enterprise plans. Links are in the description below. Ready to geocode your data? Head over to Geocodio to upload your spreadsheet and get started for free.